Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Keto in the Chaos. My name is Tammy. It's Sunday, December 30th, 2018, and it's weigh-in day. Welcome back, everyone. I hope you had a happy holiday. I hope everyone enjoyed themselves hanging out with their family and didn't overindulge in carbs and were able to stick to keto through the holiday season. If you weren't, that's okay. It's a new day. Let's get back on track. But I survived the whole Christmas party season without going off keto. I did overindulge in fats and proteins during this last week, especially with Christmas. And so I think I may have exceeded my caloric intake for my basal metabolic rate, but that's okay. It's the holidays. I didn't go off keto. I only ate extra keto things, and I did not give in to any sugary snacks for the holidays, so I'm feeling pretty good about that. We have one more party to go tomorrow, New Year's Eve party, and then it will be back to the grind. I will be going back to my fat loss macros for the new year, so at least for the first 6 weeks of the new year, that's my plan. Looking forward to that. I am a little bit nervous because I've spent the better part of the second half of this year just basically eating what I feel like eating, doing more lazy keto than actually tracking everything, which has worked. I have taken off a few pounds, but it hasn't been serious weight loss, and I just feel like now I'm ready to maybe take the next step and push a little further. Now, we'll see what happens. I don't know. Life gets in the way sometimes, but that is my plan for 2019. As of this week, I'm happy with what I did. I know I overate my macros quite a bit, so I expected the scale to show that. And it is also the week that I normally put on a bit of water weight, and so I was expecting quite a big gain on the scale. So let's just get to the scale so we can talk about where I'm at and my plans for the future. So as you can see, I weighed in today at 192.8, which is, I think, a 2.7 pound gain from last week. I'm trying to remember what I was last week. I think I was 190.4. Crud, you guys. I don't know. I was not 190 point something last week. And last week it was up from my low. My low was 185.5. That's the lowest weight, and that's the weight I go by for saying how much weight I've lost. So when I say I've lost 189 pounds, that's referring to the 185 weight, not the 192. I don't change it because I'm still on my journey and I'm not doing anything to waylay myself, and so I don't change it. Same with my measurements. I was up about half an inch along most of my body, and I'm not counting that. I just kind of leave it as zero loss until I catch back up and start moving down again. So that's just kind of how I do it, because otherwise I think I get too depressed saying that it's going up and down, because I get a lot of water weight gain and loss, and people have a lot of theories of why that is, but I just don't care about any of those theories because it doesn't seem to matter what I change. It stays the same. So I'm guessing it's just my body. It's what my body does. So am I disappointed in my weight for this week? Nope. It's exactly what I expected. I'm relieved it's not higher. And I am very happy to have maintained in the high 180s, low 190s through the entire holiday season. Because, you know, if you've been here for a little while, if you're new, you may not know that my goal for the holidays was basically to maintain in the 190s. So I'm very thrilled with where I am at today. Looking forward to the new year, looking forward to another cut to see how much that I can lose in the first 6 to 8 weeks of the year. Because after that, I'm going to be going back to maintenance for a while I deal with photography, my dance photography / competition season, which is killer hard. And trying to run 2 YouTube channels and do all of that is going to be really difficult. I won't be able to concentrate on my macros and tracking everything during that time, and I don't think I need to. I think I've proven over the last few weeks that I can handle doing lazy keto and maintain where I'm at. So I'm pretty secure in the knowledge that I can make it through dance competition season without gaining any weight if I go lazy keto. Now, if I were to have gained an extraordinary amount of weight during the holidays, I might be rethinking that. But I actually lost a couple pounds during the holidays, so I feel confident going forward with that plan. So as of now, my plan is for the first 6 to 8 weeks to really hit it hard with the weight loss. And then after that, do lazy keto through competition season. And then we'll see what the summer brings. I don't know if I can go that far into my brain at this point. What are some of the goals that you guys have for the new year? Are you setting out to have a huge loss this year? 100-pound plus loss? Let me know. I'd love to know about your journey and help you get started on that. I lost my first 100 pounds in 8 months in 2017. So it is definitely doable. So if you have more than 100 pounds to lose, do not despair. You could kill it before the end of this year if you really stick to these macros and work hard. So if you still don't have your macros, you're new here, you haven't seen any other videos of mine, you don't really know where to get started, this isn't a get started video. This is literally just my check-in. I do a weekly check-in where I weigh in and I talk about how I feel about the weight of the week. That's what this video is. So I do have other videos on my channel. Check my playlists on how to get started, how to find your macros and things. But the easiest way to get your macros is just to go join us on Facebook. If you look, the link is in the description below. And you can check our group out. We're great over there. We have all the macros listed and a get started guide, and it's all free. And we just support each other and help each other. We're all about helping each other, because my goal with this channel and basically my life's work at this point is to help others to have the same success as me without having to rely on special plans or programs or gym memberships or MLM companies or shakes or anything ridiculous like that in order to lose weight. This is real food, real life, and it's possible to keep going forever. I love it. And I just want to share it with everybody. So everything's free over there on the Facebook page. If you don't have access to Facebook, you can email me, ketochaos@gmail.com, and I'm always happy to send it to you for free anytime you need it. So go ahead and send me an email if you are not on Facebook. If you haven't had a chance to get your copy of the First for Women magazine that I am in, get it quickly. It's on the stands. It says till the 7th, but really they do pull it from restocking on the 2nd. So that's this week. This is the last week you will have a chance to get the magazine. So if you haven't had a chance yet, head to your local grocery store. It's in pretty much every grocery store in US and Canada. And if you're not in Canada or US, you might be able to get it electronically on barnesandnoble.com. It's just a little article that talks about my story and my weight loss success. And then it has like a 24-page keto cookbook that I am hopefully going to get Dave. We're going to try and see if we can do like a little series where we make the recipes. So if you haven't had a chance to get the magazine, don't forget to get your copy. I get nothing out of it other than you guys might want a copy because it's only going to be on the stands for a little while longer. I don't know. I don't know if you really care, but if you want a copy, better get it quick. That's what I mean. So this week I'm going to be putting out some new videos and also pushing reminders from some of my old videos. For everyone who is here to get started, I want you guys to be able to get started on the right foot. So keep an eye out for that. And also, if you have any friends talking about weight loss or things like that, this is the perfect time to share I cut my body in half video. I'm going to be reposting a link to that to remind you guys, if you're going to share something with your friends, that's probably the best and most influential video that you can share at this time. So if you're new here, be sure to check out that video because it talks more about what this channel is about and what you're going to find here. If there's anything that you really want to talk to me about personally, don't forget to visit me on our live chat. I am hoping this week for live chat that I'll actually be bringing Dave along with me. He is thinking about recommitting to tracking in 2019. We'll see. We'll see. But he did say something about wanting to be with me for the live chat this week. So you may be having a surprise guest visitor. So if you have any questions you want to ask me personally, don't miss the live chat. It is Tuesday at 11 a.m. Mountain Time. And I usually try and answer every question that I possibly can during the chat as long as it doesn't get too crazy. So if If you have something you want to ask me, personal or keto, you can go ahead and join the chat and we will talk. We can talk. I think that's all I've got for you guys today. I don't want to keep you too long, bend your ear too long. I know I tend to get rambly. So I just wanted to say my weight is up, but I am not disappointed. Looking forward to the new year. I've got lots of plans. Weight loss plans and channel plans. So I hope you guys will stick with me. If you're new to my channel, please click that subscribe button. You will not regret it. You're going to find nothing but support, encouragement, and motivation here at this channel to help you finally achieve the goal of weight loss that you've been dreaming of. I still feel like I'm pinching myself and waking up from a dream. When I think about where I've come, I'm kind of still shocked that I've made it this far, and I just want to help other people to be as successful as I have been. So don't forget to subscribe. It literally costs you nothing. There's no like subscription fee or anything if you're new to YouTube. It's just a reminder. It's just a reminder. And if you click the little bell icon next to it, it will pop up. It will give you a pop-up reminder also on top of it just showing up in your YouTube feed. So if you don't want to miss anything new, be sure that you have subscribed and that you've clicked the bell. And I appreciate any interaction you guys can give me, any likes and comments. All of that helps the channel to grow, and growing and helping more people is what I want to happen for 2019. So thank you so much for being here with me. I love you all so much, and I will talk to you all again soon.